Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get related records in Salesforce Flow Builder. This is incredibly useful when you need to automatically retrieve connected data, like pulling all contacts associated with an account whenever that account is created or updated. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Setup, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce page, and click on it from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Setup. This takes you to the central hub where you can configure all aspects of your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, you'll see a quick find box on the left side of the screen. Type flows into this search box, and you'll see several options appear. Click on Flows under the Process Automation section. This is where you'll build and manage all your automated workflows. Now click on New Flow to start creating your automation. Salesforce will present you with several flow types to choose from. For this tutorial, select Record-Triggered Flow. This type of flow automatically runs when specific record changes occur, making it perfect for our task. Next, you need to specify which object will trigger this flow. For the object field, select Account. This means the flow will activate whenever an account record is modified. Set the trigger condition to a record is created or updated. This ensures your flow runs both when new accounts are added and when existing ones are modified, giving you maximum flexibility. Now comes the core of your flow. Click the plus icon to add a new element, then select Get Records from the options. This element allows you to retrieve related data from Salesforce. Give it a meaningful label like Get Contacts so you can easily identify it later. In the Get Records configuration, set the object field to Contact. This tells Salesforce you want to retrieve contact records that are related to the account that triggered the flow. Under Conditions Requirements, select All Conditions are met and parenthesis. This ensures that only contacts meeting all your criteria will be retrieved. Now you need to define the relationship between accounts and contacts. Set the field to account ID, then choose equals as your operator. For the value, this is important. Select Triggering Account, then select Account ID. This creates the link that tells Salesforce to only get contacts connected to the specific account that triggered the flow. For how many records, select All Records. This ensures you retrieve every contact associated with the account, not just a limited number. Under How to Store, choose Automatically Store All Fields. This saves all the contact information you might need to use later in your flow without having to manually specify each field. Click Done to complete the Get Records element configuration. Now it's time to save your work. Click Save at the top of the screen. When prompted, enter a flow label like Get Account Related Contacts. This makes it easy to identify your flow's purpose. Click Save again to confirm. Finally, click Activate to make your flow live. Once activated, it will automatically run whenever an account is created or updated, retrieving all related contacts for you to work with. And there you have it. You've successfully configured a flow that gets related records in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.